Look at this kitchen. For integrated refrigerators, you cannot tell the difference between the refrigerator and the actual cabinet. That's the seamless look you may want in your kitchen. In this video, you'll learn about the 5 best integrated refrigerator brands and their pros and cons. However, you'll have to be careful. You still have a lingering availability issue, up to 2 years in some cases. And by the way, installing a panel on these refrigerators is a hassle. Make sure whoever you hire is experienced. Sub-Zero was the original industry pioneer for built-in refrigeration and manufactured the first integrated refrigerator. They still have the best seal, so air cannot infiltrate into your refrigerator to spoil the food. Crispers are magnetized, so they close better, not letting air into the crisper. Their air scrubber scrubs the ethylene gases off spoiling foods and eliminates cross-contamination, so food stays fresher longer. Sub-Zero is available from 18 to 36 inches, but produces the most 30 and 36-inch options in all different types of configurations. The pros are most model options, years of manufacturing, it's made in the US, it has options for internal water dispensing. The cons are it's no external ice maker, and Sub-Zero is a minimum 10 months plus to order, so check with your store for the exact lead times. Thermador, Gaggenau, Miele, and Bosch built-ins are all manufactured in the same Turkish factory. Thermador's integrated refrigerators have customizable bins, a touchscreen display, and a push-to-open door, which is good if you want a handleless design, and it allows you to open your refrigerator with your hands full. You also have a new stainless steel interior to keep food colder. Stainless absorbs cold better and is a better insulator. The water purification filters 99.1% of contaminants. And the refrigeration is part of their 1-2 free program with free product with other qualifying options. So the pros to a Thermador is great new features, it's competitive prices. The cons are its availability issues, and it doesn't seal as well as the Sub-Zero. One of my friends just moved into a condo in Boston with a Miele refrigerator. It's well lit with lights on either side. It's impressive. Miele adds their MasterCool technology. I had to comb through Miele's library because MasterCool is actually 3 different technologies to slow spoilage. Here's the abridged version. Perfect Fresh technology allows you to adjust the temperature and humidity levels to suit the specific needs of different types of produce in the crispers. For example, you can choose a lower humidity level for apples and pears, which are prone to rotting. Higher humidity levels are better for leafy greens and herbs requiring more moisture. Miele also touts their Dynacool, distributing air throughout the crisper. Their air clean filter filters odors out of your refrigerator. The pros are it's got decent availability, at least when I publish this video, and the lighting is excellent. You'll like the humidity controls in the crisper. Cons are the interior is not stainless and it doesn't have the bin options of the Thermador or the sealing of the Sub-Zero. SKS is the premium brand and parent company LG based in Korea. They have tons of features and one large basic problem. They tout themselves as the largest integrated refrigerator. Indeed, it is 18 cubic feet in their 30-inch refrigerator column versus 16.8 for the Thermador. It's all stainless steel on the inside, like Thermador, and Wi-Fi enabled, like the others, through LG's ThinQ app. However, their refrigerator will be able to self-diagnose problems and notify the local service agents. That will save a huge amount of time and hassle. So the pros are you do have an internal dispenser for water. The SKS is the quietest unit on the market at a nearly noiseless 39 dB. They have the most popular sizes covered except for one. Their refrigerator is 30 and 24 inches in width, freezer is 18, 24, and 30 inches in width like others. But what's missing is the 36-inch size, the most popular size in the market. Still, SKS is a brand worth considering, and the larger 42, 48, and 60-inch sizes when you're combining a refrigerator and matching freezer. Paykel is an appliance company based in New Zealand, now owned by the Chinese appliance manufacturer Haier. But Paykel is the only basic integrated refrigerator on this list. Looks like a regular refrigerator, and at around $6,000 is the least expensive integrated unit by far. However, Paykel is now marketing a new set of integrated refrigerators like others on this list. Their active smart technology employs temperature sensors and humidity control to keep food fresher for a longer time. Smart touchscreen allows you to more easily change your settings. The price is aggressive and the lowest on this list. It's tough to install a panel on this unit. Then again, we're installing the panels now because we have to for $99. You have a number of good options depending on how long you want to wait. Both Sub-Zero and Thermador have availability issues, but you do have a number of good options in the other brands. The other part of integrated refrigerator is the installation. I'm going to say that again. Make sure your designer, contractor, or appliance store understands the process of installing and placing a panel on one of these units. Click the link to download our free counter-depth refrigerator buying guide. We all know someone who's been talked into buying the wrong appliance. Don't let that happen to you. Over 1 million people found the right answers in the Miele guide. Thanks for watching.